We're gonna do a Northern Light battery box mount kit for the Northern Lights. We have a new product to mount your battery box to your Northern Light, so you don't have to use a power cord to your wall. Keep everything below the floor. So the kit will come with the bracket, 4 screws, and a small cable tie. So you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver. First, you'll start by removing the black plug on the end of the wheel. Remove your wing nut all the way off. Place the wheel down. Slide the wheel over as far as you can. It'll allow you off the end of the shaft. That'll give you enough room to slide the mount in with the notch towards the shaft on the Northern Light. Slip it up. Realign your wheel. Install your wing nut. Your plug. So now it's placed where it will be, and for fastening it, take your battery box, lay it over the top. I like to hold it with 2 fingers like that, and your thumb on top to hold the battery box in place. Place 1 screw in, screw it down, start the screw. I like to get all 4 started before we tighten it all the way down. And this is going to act like a clamp, so it'll squeeze it to the guide arm itself. And battery box, power box. And align it with the end of the power box, flush across the front. Finish tightening it down, snug it up. They're self-tapping screws, so they'll tap threads right into the holes in the bracket. And it's on. Cinch down, secure. Won't go anywhere. Now I like to coil up the wire however you would like. I prefer doing it this way. Make it nice and neat. Trim off your extra. Plug it in. There you have it.